As you can see in this video, our AI model has already been generated, but around the hair, there are some unwanted light flares. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove them. We start by selecting Kip Editing. Then we tap on the brush tool, increase the brush size, and paint over the light reflections on the right side of the model's hair. This tells the AI exactly where we want adjustments to be made. Next, we write our prompt. For example, take the shine. Her hair is visible, clearly. This tells the AI that we want to eliminate the flare and make the hair in that area look sharp and clearly visible. You can see the flare on the right side is now gone. But can we do this on both sides? Yes. We brush over the light reflections on both the right and left sides. Then we write a prompt again to ensure a cleaner look and reduce the glare. And now the extra light on both sides has been corrected.